Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Oindrila and in this video, I'm gonna tell you everything there is to know about brushes while I'm doing my makeup. So without further ado, let's begin the video. Before we get into the video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you get a notification every time I post a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is Plush Maquillage. So the first step I'm going to do is do my eyes, and for eyes, honestly, there are n number of brushes. Depending on the look, depending on the number of colors you want to apply on your eyelids, you might have owned that many number of brushes. This is basically used to apply concealer on your eyelid. Now you can either put it just on your eyelids or you can put it around your eyebrows also to sharpen and give it a higher definition. So this is an eyeshadow brush. You apply the eyeshadow pigment with this as well as blend it. This one is one of my favorites. So every time I want to try a wink eyeliner, I use this side of the brush. In the inner corner of my eye, every time I want to add a shimmer or a highlighter, I use this. Now the next eye makeup brush is basically an eyebrow brush. I think I myself cannot live without it. Since I am someone who does her own eyebrows, I tend to shave off a little too much, as a result of which this is my savior. Now the next one, if you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I am someone who experiments with colored eyeliners, and this one right here is what I use. This is an eyeliner pencil. Now these two are my blender brushes. So every time I want to actually blend the eyeshadow pigment, I use these two. You can use this to apply eyeshadow also, but I think as a beginner, just one blender cum application eyeshadow brush is enough. And as and when you add more colors, you can get 2 or 3 of these. Now that I've told you all about it, let's get into the eye makeup. Now let's come to foundations. There are 2 foundation brushes that I use. So this one is the one I use every time I have to apply concealer or foundation and concealer on the under eye. And this one is my foundation brush, which I use to apply foundation all over my face. So this is basically to, apply it either on the under eye or all over your face. Whenever you want to apply compact, use anything of your size. This comes in different sizes, so please feel free to buy a size which you feel is handy. So this one I use to bronze my face or add this definition by using contour powder or contour liquid. To blend the same, I use this. And this one is my blush brush. My next 2 brushes are this. This is called my fan brush, and this one is basically a highlighter when you want to apply it on your nose, on your chin, and on your cheekbones. video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, plushes, loads of love. Bye.